Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to open the interaction menu in GTA 5 Online. Alright, let's begin. The interaction menu in GTA 5 Online is a real-time tool that lets you manage many in-game options, such as changing your appearance, managing vehicles, enabling passive mode, and adjusting preferences. To open it on a keyboard, simply press the M key while playing. On PlayStation 4 and 5, press and hold the touchpad on your controller. For Xbox One and Xbox Series consoles, press and hold the View button, also known as the Select button. If you are playing on older generation consoles, the steps are slightly different. On PlayStation 3, press and hold the Select button. On Xbox 360, press and hold the Back button. Once the interaction menu opens, you can scroll through the options to access vehicle management, style settings, inventory options, and other useful features. This menu can be opened at almost any time during gameplay, making it very helpful for quick changes without pausing the game. Learning how to access it properly will save time and make gameplay smoother in GTA 5 Online. So that's basically how you can open the interaction menu in GTA 5 Online. That's it for this video. Thanks.